In SimLab version 12, you will be able to use standalone Quest 2's hand tracking not only for gestures, but also as part of your interactive design. This will allow for a new level of immersion, as well as making educational and vocational experiences much more comprehensive, making it more practical for advanced use cases like medical experiences. To use this feature, head to the Training Builder and generate the newly added hand-entered node event from the Events tab. Assign the object that you want the hand to interact with, then choose one or both hands. Then select specific joints or the whole hand depending on your needs. You can also use the hand-exited node event to trigger a response based on the hand leaving the object. There is also the hand-entered hand, and the hand-exited hand, which can be used to make interactions between the right and left hands.